Welcome back to Tire Talk. Today we're diving into an in-depth review of the all-new 2026 Honda Accord, a mid-size sedan that continues to push the boundaries of design, technology, and performance. Whether you're a longtime Accord fan or just curious about what's new, you're in for a treat because the 2026 model offers more refinement and innovation than ever before. Let's begin with the exterior. The 2026 Honda Accord has been refreshed with a sleeker, sportier look. The front fascia is dominated by a more aggressive grille and slimmer LED headlights that give it a futuristic appearance. The body lines have become sharper and more aerodynamic, improving not just looks but efficiency too. The new Accord sits slightly lower and wider than the previous model, giving it a more planted stance. Around back, the LED taillights have been redesigned to form a continuous light bar across the rear, adding a sense of premium flair. Depending on the trim, you get either 17, 18, or 19-inch alloy wheels with bold new designs, and color choices now include exciting shades like urban gray pearl and radiant red metallic. Moving inside, the 2026 Accord continues Honda's trend of offering a near-luxury experience at a non-luxury price. The interior is spacious, airy, and thoughtfully designed with high-quality materials. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, dominated by a standard 12.3-inch touchscreen on most trims, which features Honda's latest infotainment system. The interface is smoother, faster, and now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across the board. One of the biggest upgrades is the available Google built-in system, which integrates Google Assistant, Google Maps, and the Play Store directly into the car's interface, offering a seamless tech experience for Android users. The seats have been redesigned for better long-distance comfort. Front seats are now more sculpted and supportive, with available heating and ventilation. The rear seats offer generous legroom, and Honda has improved sound insulation for a quieter cabin, especially at highway speeds. There's also an upgraded 12-speaker Bose premium audio system available, delivering crisp, immersive sound. Ambient lighting, wireless phone charging, and dual-zone climate control come standard on most trims, enhancing everyday convenience. Under the hood, the 2026 Accord offers two main powertrains. The base trims are powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing around 192 horsepower and 192 pounds-ft of torque, paired to a continuously variable transmission, CVT. It's smooth, efficient, and perfect for daily driving. However, the star of the show is the hybrid variant, which now takes center stage in the Accord lineup. The hybrid models feature a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired with two electric motors, delivering a combined output of 204 horsepower. Not only is it more powerful than the base engine, but it also offers exceptional fuel economy, up to an estimated 48 mpg combined. The hybrid system has been refined for smoother transitions between gas and electric power. Driving feel is responsive thanks to instant torque from the electric motors, and Honda's eCVT ensures power delivery is linear and quiet. The ride quality is balanced, offering a good mix of comfort and composure. Steering is precise, and the Accord handles curves with surprising confidence for a mid-size sedan. Whether you're commuting through city traffic or cruising on the highway, the 2026 Accord feels stable, refined, and efficient. On the safety front, Honda continues to set the standard. Every 2026 Accord comes standard with the Honda Sensing suite of safety technologies. This includes collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, road departure mitigation, and traffic sign recognition. New for 2026 is improved blind spot monitoring and a 360-degree camera system available on higher trims, offering better situational awareness and parking ease. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Honda Accord starts at around $28,000 for the base 60 trim, which includes many standard features like LED headlights, digital instrument display, and the Honda Sensing Safety Suite. The mid-level X trim, which includes more comfort and tech upgrades, comes in around $30,500. The hybrid Sport and Sportel trims range from about $32,000 to $35,000 and add more visual flair and better performance. The top-tier Touring Hybrid, which includes the Google built-in system, Bose audio, ventilated seats, and more, is priced around $38,000. Overall, the 2026 Honda Accord strikes an impressive balance between performance, comfort, technology, and value. It continues to be one of the most well-rounded sedans on the market, with a modern design, high-end features, and excellent fuel economy, especially in hybrid trims. Whether you're a daily commuter, a small family, or someone who just appreciates quality engineering, the new Accord is definitely worth a test drive. Don't forget to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth car reviews.